Get rid of acne with aloe vera and toothpaste. One of the best combinations to treat pimples and acne. So let's get started. Step 1. Apply a little toothpaste to your pimples and acne. Toothpaste kills bacteria due to its triclosan content. Toothpaste should not be used daily because of the chemicals in it. I recommend using it at long distances and only at mandatory times. Apply toothpaste on your face and massage a little. Excellent, now it's your turn to apply aloe vera on your face. Please take care of your eyes. Now massage your face. 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Wait 10 minutes and then wash your face with water. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. I suggest you watch this video. I will definitely read and respond to your comments. We are human with any race.